In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view archived tasks in ClickUp. Sometimes tasks disappear from your main list, not because they've been deleted, but because they've been archived. Knowing how to quickly find and review those archived tasks is really helpful, especially when you need to revisit old work, confirm what was completed, or restore something that was archived by mistake. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple way to see all your archived tasks directly from your list view in ClickUp. First, make sure you're in the correct space, folder, or list where your tasks live. Once you're there, switch to the list view. This is the standard layout in ClickUp that shows your tasks in rows, usually with columns like status, assignee, due date, and so on. If you're not already in list view, look near the top of the screen for the view options and choose list. This is important because the filter options we're going to use are available there. With your list view open, look towards the top of the task list for the filter option. It's typically located in the toolbar where you also see options for sorting or grouping tasks. Click on Filter. This opens a panel or dropdown where you can control which tasks are visible based on different criteria like status, assignee, or tags. Inside the filter options, you'll see a choice related to task visibility or state, and this is where archived tasks come in. Look for the option labeled Archived. In many setups, archived items are hidden by default, so your active list stays clean and focused. To see archived tasks, click on Archived. Once you select it, ClickUp will refresh the view and include tasks that have been archived in that list. You should now see your archived tasks displayed alongside, or in place of, your active tasks, depending on how your filters are set up. From here, you can open any archived task to review its details, comments, attachments, or history. This is especially useful if you're trying to confirm when something was completed or what decisions were made. If you only want to look at archived tasks, you can adjust your filters further to hide active ones, so you're focused purely on past work. And when you're done reviewing, don't forget to clear or reset your filters